afternoon from Auxilo Finserve. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, just to inform you, this call will be recorded for KYC process.
Okay.
Please confirm your full name, your email ID, mobile number, your place of birth,
Mumbai.
mother name, Aadhaar address pin code. Okay, stay still and look into the camera to capture a picture for verification. Display your PAN card and your father's name. Okay, so thank you for your timing. Your KYC call is completed.
Thank you.